What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to stream Crunchyroll on Discord. So you'll be using Crunchyroll on Discord because streaming works similarly with sharing any browser window, but Crunchyroll may show a black screen for viewers unless you configure Discord properly. So that's how you do it. Open your preferred browser and log into your Crunchyroll account. Open the episode you want to stream and then launch Discord. Click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner and then scroll down to Activity Settings. Click Registered Games and then click the blue Add It button. Type your browser's name in the search box and select it, then click Add Game. Now your browser will behave like a game during screen sharing, which improves stream performance. And now you're ready for your anime watch party on Discord. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.